folks, Matt's Wicked Eats. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite meals on a Friday night. Grass-fed ribeyes from Keto Ranch, Shiitake mushrooms, some broccolini, and a pureed celery root. So let's get to it. First, we're going to liberally season some of these beautiful aged ribeye steaks. Put on some good amount of pepper, some Himalayan pink salt. Once we get them seasoned, we're going to let them rest while we prep all the rest of the vegetables. Next, we're going to take the broccolini and trim the ends. Chop up some garlic. Throw the garlic in the pan, followed by the broccolini. Put that on the stove and let it rest until you get all the rest of your stuff done. Grab a pan. 3 sticks of butter. Put it on the pan, get it ready to go. Next, celery root. Chop off the top, chop off the bottom. Clean the sides. Chop into pieces. Once you got it chopped up, put it in the pot. Once you got it in the pot, chicken stock, vegetable stock, whichever one you want. About 4 to 5 cups. All right, let's start cooking. First, you got to cook down the celery root for about 15-20 minutes. Start preheating your broccolini. Put some oil on it. Shiitake's going. A little oil and butter. Get the celery root boiling 20 minutes or until tender. Turn it down to a simmer and keep her going. Start heating up the broccolini. Add some garlic to the mushrooms, a little soy, add some oil to a hot cast iron pan, and let's start putting the steaks on. Brown, flip them over, add some butter, add a fresh thyme packet with some rosemary, Okay, while the steaks are finishing up, we're going to dump half the liquid out and reserve the rest. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of cheese. We start by mashing, and we're going to puree it. Then back to the stove to simmer. till the meat's done. And just get the temperature 127 degrees. So we're going to pull it off and let it rest and get everything ready. Okay, well let's start plating this up. Ready to go. Celery root. One ribeye. Some broccolini. Finishing off with a little garnish. There you are, folks. That's Wicked Eats. Stay tuned next week for another video.